Hello everyone from Elif's Kitchen. Today, I want to share with you a delicious spinach gözleme recipe that everyone who tries it absolutely loves. Let's take 4 cups of flour into the mixing bowl. Add half a teaspoon of instant yeast and mix. Then, add a teaspoon of salt. Initially, I added 1 cup of warm water. Gradually add the water while mixing. Once the dough starts coming together, remove the spatula. Continue kneading while adding water gradually. I used a total of 1.5 cups of water. The dough should be soft and non-sticky. Place the dough on the countertop and knead well for about 5 minutes. Then, cover it with a plastic bag and let it rest for about half an hour. After resting, lightly flour the surface and divide the dough into portions according to the size of your pan. I divided it into 5 equal portions. Shape the dough into small balls. Place them on a floured plate. Cover again with a plastic bag and let them rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the filling. Wash a bunch of spinach thoroughly. Then chop it finely and let it drain in a sieve. Draining the spinach well is important, or it will release too much water and ruin the gozleme. Place the well-drained spinach in a mixing bowl. Finely chop and add 2 medium-sized onions. Add 1 tablespoon of red pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon each of thyme and cumin. Add 1 teaspoon of pepper paste. I used a little more than half a tea glass of oil, mixing vegetable oil and olive oil. You can use only olive oil or only vegetable oil if you prefer. Mix the filling well. Rub it gently with your hands to combine. Lightly flour the countertop and take 1 dough ball. Roll it out with a rolling pin to a medium thickness. I rolled mine to about the size of a serving plate. Place 2 to 3 tablespoons of filling in the center. Spread it in a rectangular shape, then fold the dough as shown in the video. I prepared all my gozleme before starting to cook them. Heat a non-stick pan. Place the gozleme in the pan. Cook over medium heat, flipping occasionally until both sides are golden brown. Transfer the cooked gozleme to a serving plate. As shown in the video, immediately brush both sides with butter while hot. Cook the remaining gozleme the same way. Brush with butter while hot. Serve the gozleme warm. As you can see in the video, they look incredibly delicious. They turned out perfect. I'm sure you'll love them when you try. Enjoy to everyone who will try it. If you watched my video and liked it, you can support me by liking, commenting, and sharing. Thank you for watching and for your interest.